In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your ClickUp profile to access and manage your archived spaces. If you're not yet familiar with ClickUp, it's a fantastic productivity platform where you can organize tasks, manage projects, and understand workflows all in one seamless interface. Today, we're focusing specifically on how to revisit your archived spaces, a simple yet essential process that helps you keep your workspace tidy and efficient. Let's get started by opening up your internet browser. Once you have that ready, head over to the ClickUp website and log into your account. If you're already logged in, you should see your main dashboard right away. This is where you typically view your ongoing projects, tasks, and all the current happenings within your various workspaces. Now, direct your attention to the upper corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice your profile icon, which might be your photo or your initials if you haven't uploaded an image yet. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will open up a drop-down menu that gives you a few options. From this menu, you want to select Settings. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll find a wide range of customizable features to enhance your experience with ClickUp. But for now, our focus is on finding the Spaces option in the Settings menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage all your spaces. Spaces in ClickUp are like containers for your projects. They help group tasks that are related to each other, making it easier to manage projects that fall within similar categories or teams. On this page, you'll also find a section dedicated to archived spaces. Click on Archived Spaces, and voila! You have successfully accessed your archived workspaces. These are spaces you might have put aside once a project was completed or when it was no longer active, but that doesn't mean they're gone forever. Here you can review old projects, pull information for reports, or reactivate spaces if needed. And just like that, you're done. You've not only learned how to navigate your ClickUp settings to manage your archived spaces, but also taken a step toward more organized digital management. Knowing how to handle archived spaces can benefit you greatly in maintaining an efficient system, especially if you are working with teams or multiple projects. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into your ClickUp account and start exploring those archived spaces today. It's a simple process, but one that brings a lot of value when you need to reference old projects or bring them back to life. Thank you all for joining me in today's guide. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips and productivity hacks. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.